In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of getting that affiliate link, sharing that link with your audience, and having someone go through the process of going through that funnel, purchasing the product, and then seeing how those commission values actually play out in real time. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to navigate over to Betty's area. I'm still logged in as her. So we're going to navigate over to Betty's area. And we've got her affiliate section all pulled up, and I want to go to that offer and I want to copy that link. So I'm going to copy that to my clipboard, and then I'm going to navigate to an incognito window where I can go ahead and start filling in the information going through the funnel. And this is going to track my behavior as a user and whether or not I make a purchase. So I'm going to open a new incognito window. And I'm going to go ahead and paste that affiliate link right there at the top. And that is going to bring us to the funnel. I'm then going to step through this funnel. So yes, I want this. And I'm going to be dewey@demo.com. And we're going to register today. Dewey wants to buy this product. We're going to sign up to learn more. And yes, we're going to make a purchase. So we're going to put in our information again. Dewey. Oh. There we go, dewey@demo.com, and his first name is Dewey Duck, and then we're going to choose all of this information, just filling in what we need, and then it's a cash payment, it's our affiliate product, and we're going to place that order. So now that product has been purchased, we're then going to navigate back to our admin area. So I'm going to navigate back to the admin area, and here I am at Betty's area. So I want to navigate back here. And what I'm going to do now is navigate to my network area, and I'm going to recalculate my payouts. So I'm going to click recalculate. I'm going to select the cycle that I want to recalculate for, and I'm going to hit recalculate. And nothing's appearing here actually because I haven't collected the payment for that order. So what I need to do is come here to my orders, and I'm going to click on this order, and I'm just going to simply come here, say collect payment. Payment method is cash, the amount, and record that payment. There we go. So now when I navigate back to the network area and I click on recalculate and I choose this cycle, I'm then going to hit recalculate, and then that is going to recalculate my payout file. And then you can see that I've got my pending payout file, and the amount is $25. The reason for that is that we have our product over here, our affiliate product, and our commission value is set to 50% of the $100. So our commission rules are being calculated on that 50%. So it's being calculated on $50. And if I come here to my network area and I come here to my setup and I come to that commission rule and click in here, this is paying out 50% of that $50 that is in the commission pool. So again, if I navigate back to my network area and I click in here, I'll be able to see that this is an affiliate commission for Betty White. If I click on that, I'll be able to see even more details about where this commission value is coming from. So you'll see that it's the affiliate rank, the status is active, it's 100% commission, and it's a level 1 commission sale. The commissionable sales value is $50 US, and the percentage of that commissionable sales value is 50%, and that gives us a payout of $25 US. So you're able to see all of those details. You're then able to also download the CSV for this, but we can go ahead and close this. And when we navigate back here, we can go ahead and finalize the cycle. It's going to give us a warning. You're about to finalize the cycle. I have reviewed my commissions and confirmed they are correct. I understand that once I proceed with this action, it cannot be undone, even if the commissions are incorrect. So before you finalize your cycle, you can actually go into your commission rules, change things around, and you'll be able to then recalculate those and change what is actually being paid out. So this is not finalized until you finalize the cycle. So to give you a quick example, if I come here to my setup and I come to that commission rule and I come in here and I say instead of 50%, they're only going to get 25%, and I save that. And I navigate back to my network area and I recalculate this, you'll see that then they're getting a commission of $12.50. And then if I'm happy with that, I can go ahead and finalize that cycle, confirm it, And then that has been finalized and I would be able to pay out to my affiliates. And now I don't have any payment methods because I don't have my Wise integration or PayPal integration set up, but I would be able to then pay out to my affiliates. And if I had my Wise integration with my wallet integration set up, I would then be able to go to my affiliate area as an affiliate. So let's go to Betty's side. Betty would then be able to come to her affiliate section. She'd be able to see that she's made personal sales of $50, that she's earned this commission, and she'd be able to see all of her other information. She would also be able to come to her account and come to her wallet and see what is owed to her in this wallet. She would then be able to transfer an amount out of here and into her recipient bank account. So that is how that would work. And I'm just going to navigate back to the admin area quickly. And if I come here to the Wallets app, you'll be able to see which of my users have wallets. And there's a few here because I needed to go back through that a few times. Dewey is the only one who made a purchase. Betty is the only one who would actually have anything available in her wallet. And there's nothing showing here because I haven't set up those payout methods, so that's not actually being calculated. But when those payments are being calculated, you'll then come to transfers and you will be able to pay all pending transfers to the wallets from here. So any user who has said, I would like to withdraw from my affiliate commissions, they would then make that transfer request. You would then come here to the transfers within the wallet app and pay out all pending transfers. So that is how you can set up a very basic affiliate marketing system. Now I am going to end this training with one last video that's going to show you how to create a section on your website that allows your users to sign up as affiliates with you so that you don't need to manually assign affiliate ranks to your users. So this is going to be the last thing that I show you of how to allow your users to sign up as affiliates through your website. So that's going to be the last video and I'll see you there.